Rarely Cristo Jabu Ravi Shopura Rifitiki Choratke platform, Chuukese Merrick or Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So put on a Erisigitsne subscribe me to the channel, but share this video at Sibu. Try to improve Subashire with every concerns you get every which mid soccer videos you prefer. You get a which pros or to get vaccination, Novavax, Pfizer, Moderna. Ek information ang irikichigire, Mikaor one CDC, where FDA, Shibuchevi Burki. Napagiriki vaccinations will be covered under EUA, Emergency Use Authorization. As long as CDC or FDA will be approved for the vaccinations be available. New FDA after November 5th, 2022. We go every concerns. Website links fan na CDC or FDA. Game information me para fail through healthcare providers. Clinics vaccinations here. One is going to doctor, yes, you gotta see them as our primary cares. You ran Novavax, me already 12 years old and above. Me or first and second dose, you will be a booster. Time intervals era second dose, me a booster. Shibu kapase serious kara healthcare providers, you get gets kara vaccination, but shibu shibu second dose, me a booster. Me was same goes to Pfizer and Moderna. Kapase skirira bikera healthcare providers. Have you opposite or body with na second dose, third dose, me a booster. You always said Novavax, Chevy before 12 years old, fate that. Me available on Novavax gets. Me bought a booster. First, second, you get a booster. We saw already Pfizer. Pfizer we call already 6 months, nearly 4 years old. 5 years old, maybe 11 years old, you were 12 and above. 6 months, nearly 4 years old, me or get doses. Second dose, first dose, third dose. You were short boosters available at 6 months, nearly 4 years old. You saw already 5 years old, nearly 5 years old, nearly 11 years old, me or first dose, second dose, you had a booster. Booster ye be available age group or what a bivalent booster Omicron made a previous strain of COVID. Nisawe city of 5 to 11 years old, city 12 years old, fit they get 12 years old above. Near a first second dose, you had a booster after. A booster we put available and a bivalent booster Omicron made a previous strain of COVID. Yes, I was Pfizer and Novavax, already Moderna. Moderna, me already 6 months, nearly 5 years old. You are 6-year-old, nearly 11 years old. You are 12 years old and above. You get 12 years old. You are in 6 months, nearly 5 years old. 2 doses, first, second dose. You are a short booster. You are always 6 months, nearly 5 years old, so I don't get 6 years old, nearly 11 years old. At 6 years old, nearly 11 years old, me your first, second dose. Where's a second dose? You saw me already at a booster. At a booster, but then I get check Pfizer. At a bivalent booster, age group. You saw we see at 6, nearly 11 years old, so I don't get 12 years old and above. You get 12 years fit there. You read 12 years fit there above. Me call it a first and second dose. We said a first and second dose and a booster we bought available in the and a booster same as at a 6 to 11. Me bought Pfizer's is the bivalent booster. And a Arbocaferi Omicron me with previous strain of COVID. You get vaccinations, so we saw us to go through, breeze through it fast. You check what's it at, see, but will be your vaccination, we cover it. Novavax, and Pfizer, and Moderna. Again, all this information will be provided on the CDC website, the FDA. The put vaccinations here, it gets under EUA, you get Emergency Use Authorization. The information, I could be checking on the gets Chuukese in Micronesia. After a healthcare system depends on CDC, the FDA recommendations, to my understanding. You get it can be different. Please let me know. Message to me directly. You get what comments fun, YouTube, Facebook. but Instagram. Cristo Jabur, next video is a short one. Cristo Jabur again. Abi sobrang refiti suarats ke platforms. Message chiriki chiki abi or abi concerns. Where abi which as you prefer in the future. Again, Cristo Jabur. I will se vats non neg. Sobrang refiti so we see that's not num. Or if you're fan. Cristo.